exactly the point that we want to. But looking forward to what these teams are going to be providing, well, we have this beautiful Tesla GP that has been added to the game in association with Tesla as well. Because, well, it looks like BGMI as well as Tesla have got a small partnership. But right now, it is going to be all on board for the side of Seoul. They've knocked a player down. They've got them on the floor. They need to make sure that they can finish off the remaining two players. They're going to spot Somraj. They're going to be going in all in. They've driven right up to the positions that these players are at, but the grenade is going to get cooked. This is going to force the players of Seoul to make a run for it. The grenade gets chucked, but he will go down to his knees as well. That's going to Pukar as well as Somraj on the floor. Confused Aman is going to be spotting one. He's going to be getting him down, but Mortal and Viper are going to be hitting the ground as well. Somraj will be finished off. And it's all down to Ronak. He's going to spot one player. Will he get that spray down? No, it looks like he's going to be really low on HP. Will be forced to use that first aid kit for himself. And if he can look to survive for a little bit longer, he might be able to save his teammates. But Viper, he's too far away right now. Ronak will probably end up finishing Viper out, as well as Mortal, who's slowly scrambling up the slope to make sure that his teammate can revive him behind the cover of this tree as well as the smoke.
Definitely, this fight just came out like a boom to us. It was like something really very unexpected. Team Soul was just trying to, give some good rotation, and there you go. They have 4 good finishes in their account. Viper and Mortal are off their knees, but yes, they can be.
End of TSM. Well, came a little bit too soon. Once again, they are going to be the 17th place team that has been taken out, and that is definitely not a good showing up for TSM, at least right now. Confused Aman is also going to be hitting that floor. He is going to get taken down, and so will Mortal. Neo is already dead. Naughty or What is going to be the only one. He's got 4 players all around him. He's going to land some shots, and he